want to pamper your Valentine this year, get it. Just get it. Sorting you out for the whole year. सबकी life में इतना BT चल रहा है तो we don't want to talk about it. Is my man watching this video? Gold rates right now going up and down, up and down. Content creation is recognized by our government. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am going to give you gifting ideas for men and women. First, I'm going to start by telling you all what you all can gift your male partners because I know there's a majority of female audience on my channel. And then I will give you female gift ideas for if you just want to gift yourself because you should be your biggest Valentine. But also if there is a male audience watching this or you just want to send this to your partners कि please ये वाले gift दो ऐसे फूल पत्ती से मत मेरे को खुश करने की कोशिश करो. Then this video is coming right in time because there's a Nykaa Pink Love sale. There are lots of sale on Myntra, Flipkart. Everybody has discounts. Even Impulse Coffees has a Valentine's sale going on. The sale period चल रहा है. And secondly also because I'm putting this well in advance तो आप लोग ये देखोगे खरीदोगे और आपके gifts time पे आ जाएंगे इंशाल्लाह. So with that, if you are interested to watch this video, then continue watching. If this is the first time you've come onto my channel, then hi, I'm Sara. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sara squad. I'm sure you're gonna love it here. And also don't forget the bell icon right next to it so every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into this. I think the best gift you can gift your man if you haven't ever gifted him this is a wallet. It's a little superstitious, but I think that gifting a wallet causes like barakat and revenue to pool into your partner's life, and it's such a beautiful gift with that meaning. And if you are not opposed or your partner is not opposed to a red colored wallet, you should gift red because as per Feng Shui, red is a very good, I sound so superstitious right now, but it's a very good color causing a lot of good luck to come into your life and a lot of money to come into your life. Fajr is like, I also want money wallet, red wallet. If you're on a budget, you can definitely get this Daily Objects ka burgundy vegan leather wallet, which is just rupees 799. I think it's such a nice unisex color. If your female friend or your female partner, your galentine also likes a small wallet, then they are going to love this Chotu wallet. I also personally love a small compact wallet. I'm a card holder kind of girl because I don't carry that much cash with me. So I love a good card holder. You can also get them a card holder, but इसमें बहुत अच्छे मतलब compartments है. You have a coin compartment and everything. I really like this Daily Objects wallet and it's just rupees 799. And Tommy Hilfiger also makes some great wallets. So there are black wallets if your partner is a black and brown kind of person. But Tommy Hilfiger also has a great red color wallet which I gifted Reeth last year for Valentine's. Also, if your partner is into brown leather and you're a little older in age, I think older men, old money aesthetic is very much in the brown and the beige. So this brown Peter England wallet is also really nice. I love that old leather, like tan leather feel that it has. It gives like दादाजी ने ये wallet pass down किया है वाला feel. And like I said, wallet is a great gift option. 1000-2000 का budget है तो wallet ही देना चाहिए आपको in case you haven't already gifted your partner a wallet. Ooh, Allen Solly has a great, oh it's sold out. It has a great red textured leather wallet. Right now as I'm looking at it, it is sold out, but in case it comes back in stock, then that is a good option to give, you know, with Feng Shui and everything. That definitely should be. There are great red wallets for females. So if my male partners y'all are watching, then y'all will love gifting this Miragio's red texture wallet. It's a longer wallet, but I really like कि उसपे जो design हो रखी है बहुत ही अच्छा design है. And I used to have a wallet like this in my teenage. It's just 1300 rupees. I think it's a great price point. And Miragio also has a shorter wallet, this chota compact one. So it's like the size of a card holder, and I really like this undertone of red also. It's the red Nola wallet, which is 1599. It's a little more expensive, but I like the finish and the whole stitch work of it. Daily Objects has great red wallets, you guys. Definitely, if you're on a budget, अगर आप teenager हो, you should get this wallet, which is the 539 rupees का burgundy faux leather flip top card wallet. Literally खाली card छुट्टा पैसा थोड़े 200-300 के note आएंगे. That's it. Like only that much will fit in this wallet. Great for college going, office going, or people who travel in trains. You will really like prefer this because you don't carry a lot with you. Don't have the fear of theft also. All the products I'm recommending, of course, I'm going to put in the description box. So आप लोग directly links of the products देख सकते हो. I'm giving recommendations basis brands I have used, I would buy for my own partner, or the reviews of those are really, really great. Second thing that I would suggest getting if your partner is a caffeine lover is Impulse Coffees. Of course, Impulse Coffees is a premium gift option for you. For our Valentine's sale, we have a love combos at flat 999. That is 1000 rupees में आपको कोई भी 2 और 1 तो 3 का combo भी भी हम दे रहे हैं just 1000 rupees में. You're getting amazing quality coffee. In fact, Raspberry has been one of the most loved coffees from everyone who's been buying the sachet box. You can also get the sachet boxes. They are also available so people can try a assortment of a variety of options. So those are also there. So we have basically clubbed combos for y'all, and we are giving you all the combos at flat 999. Great chance to buy for your Valentine right now. So Valentine's Day तक इंशाल्लाह आपका पार्सल आ जाएगा. And something else also that you should buy individually from Impulse, even if your person is not a caffeine lover, is our frother. Our frother is extremely powerful. It's loved by everyone on the internet. Everyone who reviews the frother absolutely falls in. It's one of the trending products on Blinkit and 5-star review on Amazon. So if you have not bought our frother, you don't have it, or you want to gift it to somebody, then I think Impulse is a great gifting option for you for sure. Third category of product, I think, which is unisex, great gifting option is a fragrance. Fragrance is definitely the category that I love gifting my partner because I want him to smell like how I want him to smell. You know what I mean? Like, I love gifting Reeth perfume because I want him to apply it and then go out on dates with me, and then I want to smell that the whole night because you can't smell your own perfume as much as you can smell your partner's perfume. So girls, this is a great option. Even guys, if you think that doesn't mean that your partner's smelling bad, you just want them to smell a certain way. You know what I mean? So let me go on Nykaa. One of my top men's perfume जो मैंने हर एक वीडियो में men's perfume या perfume के बारे में बात करती हूँ, I tell you which is the perfume Reeth wears, is Replica by Maison Margiela. It is bougie, it's very expensive, but if that's your budget and you really want to pamper your Valentine this year, get it. Just get it. It is such a sexy fragrance, and every time Reeth applies that perfume, it just wears on him the entire night. वो सुबह लगाएगा, रात तक उसके ऊपर वो perfume रहती है. वो कपड़ा अगर वो वापस पहनेगा, it stays on his body. So Replica perfumes are really, that whole range of Maison Margiela is amazing, very long wearing, and this particular Jazz Club fragrance that I'm talking about, that smells like cigarettes and, you know, like this musky, very manly, weak in the knees kind of a fragrance, very delicious fragrance. And Reeth doesn't smoke or anything, but I don't know if I am into that kind of a fragrance, but I am into that kind of a woody, musky, very like Jazz Club energy, is literally jazzy fragrance, you know, like moody fragrance, but beautiful, and he carries it so well. So if you think it's gonna suit your partner's personality, definitely get that fragrance. It is 11,200 rupees. So like I said, it's a splurge, but it's worth it. In the affordable category, this brand Contraband has a hands-off perfume which is also for him. The notes over here, it's bold, hazel, and it's patchouli. So if your man likes a little freshness but also a little woodiness, so I think that would be a really good combination. It's just for 1488. मतलब 1400 रुपए का perfume है. There's 15% off on Nykaa right now on it. अभी तक जब तक मैं ये वीडियो कर रही हूँ, तो Pink Love sale has not started. तो sale के बाद I'm sure the offers will be better. But right now it's at 1488. It's available on Nykaa now also. Maison Margiela में छोटू perfume. You can buy this also and just see, because it's a very tricky fragrance. It's a very strong perfume. So if your partner doesn't like a very strong perfume, he might hate it also. So get the 2800 wala, and then maybe if they like it, you can gift like birthday के time पे full size. See what options I'm giving you, like sorting you out for the whole year. Gifting ideas for sure. If you're a man watching and you want your girl to have a very floral, feminine scent for themselves, and you want to really be pampering her, then you should get the Lancome Idole perfume. I love that perfume. It's floral. It's the perfume Reeth loves on me. Personally, it's very feminine, but in a very classy, posh, luxurious way. It's the bestseller on Nykaa, like I can see, and the 50 ml is available for 7,200. That's the one I always have, the 50 ml one. अभी I think महंगी हो गई है वो. अभी देखते हैं sale पे, maybe it will become cheaper, and the small size is for 2,100. So you can start at whatever size. Another fragrance which the women always love, it's evergreen, is Burberry Goddess. I recently smelled it and it's on my wish list too. I want to see कि Nykaa के Pink Love पे कितना offer होता है Burberry Goddess पे, because Burberry Goddess is amazing, and Burberry fragrances last an eternity. Like on my skin, on my clothes, they just last forever. So I think that's a great perfume again to gift. Okay, this perfume from Secret Alchemist is a new one I just got. It's called Signature Midnight Patchouli, and it's a clean perfume. It's marketed as clean perfume. It has bergamot, lavender, patchouli. It's 2,400, a little in the mid range, I would से, बट अगर फुल साइज आपको ये प्राइस में देना है किसी को, दिस इज फॉर फीमेल्स, ओके गर्ल्स, इफ यू आर watching, you want to send this to your man, it's a nice perfume. It lasts about 4 to 5 hours. It's not got the best lasting power, but it's a very nicely layered perfume. I quite like it. It's fresh and it doesn't give you a headache. Like, it's marketed for men, but I actually liked it. So the black one, they are saying it's for men and the white one is for female. The white one I didn't like at all. एकदम मतलब मीठी मीठी सी खुशबू है, but black वाली की खुशबू मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. Patchouli and bergamot I think is very unisex, so it shouldn't be specifically only for men. But yeah, you can get that. That is a perfume I really liked. Which other perfume? I love Ajmal perfumes. I think they are so strong and so long lasting because they have oud inside. So if you want long lasting perfumes, you should definitely go for Ajmal. Ajmal's Nia is just 500 rupees. I always recommend the Nia perfume. It is one of my favorites. It's very long lasting, very sensual, and again goes like, agar I put it in the day also, it will go with my office CEO energy. And if I want to just transition to date night, I don't have to change my fragrance. It can go in the day and in the night both. So again, if your girl is a little more boss girl like, you should definitely like consider giving her Ajmal Nia. That is one of their most affordable perfumes. They also have Ascend for men. The same Nia wali fragrance mein they have Ascend, and that is again marketed for both men and women, but I think that would be great for men. So I'm going to leave the link both to Ascend and Nia in the description box. So I think that's enough for expensive and affordable. I've given you options. I love my Burberry Her, my Burberry Black. These are top expensive perfumes that I use on a daily basis. I also use Ajmal ke jo new wale launch mein main gayi thi, the chapter 1, chapter 2, but I cannot see that on Nykaa, so I don't think they've launched it yet. Plum Body Loving makes some great perfumes also again for women, and in that category I would suggest the new one which is launched, Juice or Dare, is really good. I smelt it because at the Impulse event they just soft launched that product and it was really good. Juice or Dare is a little on the expensive side, but it's definitely worth it in my opinion. अगर आपको आपकी like friend या किसी को कुछ देना है, मतलब Galentine gift के जैसा, तो I think this Plum Body Loving Pocket Diary perfume is also a great find because it's just like a discovery set. You're getting 4 long lasting perfumes in chota 45 spritz ka bottle, and I think that's such a great gift to give your girlfriends. It's just 339 rupees, so again a great gift, birthday gift idea also. A mid-range perfume which is luxury but not that expensive is Jimmy Choo's I Want Choo. It's a unisex perfume. I have it. I love wearing it for my good expensive occasions, and you're getting the smaller bottle only for 5,000 something, and I think it's a great price point. I think that's about it for my top perfume recommendations. Now I really like Nykaa's body care products. So the fourth category I would say is body care, which is again unisex, and Nykaa makes some great like Wanderlust range jo unka chal raha hai currently. It's one of my favorites when it comes to body wash, body lotion, body mist, very long lasting body washes. My favorite one has to be the Nykaa Wanderlust Dreaming of Paris, that is champagne and berries. Uska body wash बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. It is very long lasting, the fragrance both in the mist and the body wash, great. You get those in like hampers also, so if you just want to pick up a hamper, one of my boys, you all want to pick up a hamper, give it to your girlfriend, great find. The Nykaa Wanderlust Belgian Caramel Toffee, oh my god, it's a hair and body mist. It is like deliciousness. You spray that and you will smell like my caramel coffee, like you will smell like that, and it's gonna be so yummy for you to smell and enjoy. It's a new launch but it's beautiful, very delicious. Again comes with a body wash also. So Nykaa Wanderlust ka jitna bhi hai na, they are killing it, and I will leave links to multiple like options for you in the description box. Valentine specially chal raha hai unka viral fragrance gift set just for 999. They are also giving same like us, flat 999, 33% off on the Valentine's gift set. My top 2 fragrances would be caramel and vanilla, and the what is this called, champagne and berries. But also if you want for men, now girls, for men you can consider gifting Orchid and Musk. It's a new launch. It's called Midnight in New York, and the entire range I'm telling you from Nykaa, this whole new range is really good. Orchid and Musk also comes with body lotion and the body wash both. This is not sponsored by the way, none of this is sponsored. Impulse मेरा ब्रांड है, बाकी किसी ने पैसा नहीं दिया, तो Impulse भी पैसा नहीं देता वैसे तो बात करने का. Okay, next gift has to be a good board game. Reeth gifted me board games this time for my birthday, and you know whenever like our friends come over and we don't want to chit chat, हमेशा बातें नहीं करनी क्योंकि सबकी लाइफ में इतना बीटी चल रहा है, तो we don't want to talk about it. So you just play a good board game and you know have a nice time. So board games are definitely our perfect and way to de-stress and spend time with our loved ones. So recently on my birthday he gifted me the Bollywood Battle, and he gifted me crossword because we've not played Scrabble in very long. So Scrabble and this, but बहुत सारे board games हम खेलते हैं. Sequence is one of our favorite family board games. I'm going to leave all the Amazon links for these toys also in the description box. Then we love playing Splendor. It's a very strategic game. A little like these are also all expensive side पे 2,000-3,000 rupees. And Uno No Mercy. I literally just got him Uno No Mercy from Saudi, and for his Christmas gift I gifted him Monopoly Harry Potter edition. So if your partner is like a Harry Potter fan or any like TV show fan, you'll get a lot of these limited edition gift ideas and games. And Harry Potter का Pictionary भी आता है, Harry Potter का ये भी है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, Legos. Yeah, if your partner's into Legos and they have a lot of space in their house, then you can give Legos. मुंबई के घरों में जगह नहीं तो हम Lego लाते नहीं क्योंकि उसको बना के कहाँ रखेंगे. But yeah, these are all great game options that you can gift your partner, and I think board games are definitely something you should get your partner. Like they can spend time with you and it's actually a gift for both of you. Now here's a gift idea that Reeth loves giving me, and that is shoes. He's made it like a yearly thing that he's going to give me one pair of shoes every year. And you can also form such rituals with your partner that whatever you like to gift him or her, you can give it every year and make it like a ritual. And there are some really good deals on Nykaa Fashion right now when it comes to shoes. Like I love this Reebok Classic. It's 5,400, but oh my god, look at that pair of white and black sneaker. I have never seen a sneaker like this with black lace, white. It's almost like a wave pattern. There's 40% off on this. मैं इसका भी link डाल दूंगी. It's 5,400 and it's a great find in my opinion. If you want to go a little in the running category, like your man or woman likes to be more of a runner, then Skechers is a great comfort shoe. It's like physiotherapist approved when it comes to running. Asics and Skechers, they are the best when it comes to comfort in India. New Balance is also amazing when it comes to comfort. I love New Balance, but you don't get New Balance at a good price point in India. बहुत महंगा है. So if you're going to Japan is the place to get New Balance. But Skechers are amazing. This white one with like a navy blue black lace, so good. I love gifting whites and like browns and these tones जो हर एक outfit के साथ जाएंगे. So you don't have to like be very you don't have to think a lot while gifting somebody. They will definitely wear a white shoe. You don't have to think अरे वो पहनेगा कि नहीं, use आएगा कि नहीं. So white shoes I think are a safe bet when you're gifting. Of course, if you want, you know that the person has good white shoes, then you can go in the color category. This Adidas Air Breeze I think is a great running shoe. It's the men pink running shoes. Black is also sold out. This is their white and beige stripe. This is a great color option. Air Breeze men turquoise running shoes, and most of the sizes are available. This is 2,400. Running shoes are a good option because everyday wear ke liye, even for train travel and all in Mumbai, we prefer running shoes only. Ooh. Wow, I would love to get this as a gift. Is my man watching this video? US Polo Women Beige Cordelia lace-ups, and these are so good. They are literally like a nice cappuccino color, like literally like cappuccino latte color. It's 3,230 and 15% off, and you're getting it in this colorway. Also, look at this colorway, you guys, are red and white. This is such a good colorway. There is a white and green also, like full white and piche thoda sa green. US Polo shoe comfort is mid. It's not the best. If you want to go a little cheaper, H&M has these trainers for 2,299, which is very nice colorway. I really like this colorway. H&M shoes are also decent in comfort. Not the best, but not the worst either. And if you want to go like more premium in comfort when it comes for women, I think you should go and invest in a Puma Palermo. They're very comfortable. Reed just gifted me the Palermo range, and it is so comfortable. It's somewhere around 8 to 10,000 ka range mein. He got the Gryffindor one, that's why it was so expensive. Maybe as a woman I can attest that you will love receiving jewelry. I always tell Reeth, when you have a lot of money, please only don't even use your brain, just get me diamonds. I'm always going to be happy. But of course, while the money is not the diamond worthy money, and also with the gold rates right now going up and down, I don't think gold is a good investment. But dainty gold jewelry just to get from all these platforms like Instagram pages and Jewels Galaxy and all these brands are there. Lots of small businesses on Instagram that do really good quality anti-tarnished jewelry. Just that with these Instagram pages, it's a little tricky with your delivery timeline. It will not come on time most likely for Valentine's, but agar birthday ke liye dena hai, I wowould highly recommend that you get. But Nykaa Fashion Pay, these things come on time like in 3-4 days because Nykaa of course has fulfillment timelines and stuff for the brands. The Van Cleef bracelet dupe is there. Van Cleef's design is fully dupe. dupe. There's a earring, pendant, and the bracelet set. And this is gold-plated anti-tarnish cover jewelry set. I'm not somebody who recommends getting dupes, but if your girlfriend is into high fashion jewelry and she likes branded jewelry like this, I think she will really like it. It's 70% off, just $559 for the entire set. It's not the best quality dupe, but it is a good set you're getting for just 500 rupees. Like if you want to gift this and some other things also, I think it's good to add it to like a mystery box, Valentine's mystery box. There's a very beautiful pendant from this Zaisha. It's 18 karat gold and it's a beautiful, beautiful necklace. I think your girl is absolutely going to love it. 54,000 for lab grown diamond. Don't. Guys, $499, such a pretty pendant. It's like a diamond encrusted gold pendant, rhinestones से भरा हुआ. It's like ऐसा टेढ़ा heart है, बहुत सुंदर pendant है, just for 499 rupees. Another Van Cleef dupe of the flower, which is for 1244. It's got the white mother of pearl detail. Another category you can get if your partner is just getting into content creation or digital marketing or something like that. I think getting a good quality tripod, a good light, the portable light जो मैं carry करती हूँ, and a nice pouch, like a sturdy pouch to store all of these items would be great for your partner. Even the mics, like of course DJI का mic बहुत महंगा है, but other mics like Digitech is a very good mic. I recently gifted it to someone and it's a very good quality affordable mic. So Digitech mic you can give. Newer का light आता है, portable light. मैं description में सारे links डाल दूंगी आप लोग के लिए. जो tripod मैं travel करती हूँ वो use करती हूँ, वो आप दे सकते हो अपने partner को. अगर उसको beauty creation करना है, beauty content बनाना है, इवन टेक कंटेंट बनाना, तो ऐसा पोर्टेबल मिरर बहुत अच्छा है. मैं हमेशा साइड पे रखती हूँ तो मैं अपने आप को भी देख सकूं. एंड इवन इफ आई एम फिल्मिंग अलोन, आई कीप इट बिहाइंड माय फोन सो आई कैन सी माय ओन रिफ्लेक्शन. सो इट्स अ ग्रेट लाइक स्क्रीन मिररिंग sort of a thing that you can do. You can give them those suction thingies that they can put behind their phone so they can stick it anywhere and create content. And if they drive a car, then you can get them the mobile phone holder. So the mobile phone holder will allow you to like just, you know, if they can want to film their videos in the car because घर में बहुत आवाज होती है, they can film it anywhere. Like give them like an entire content creation kit so that you can tell them that you support their dreams, and that would be like a beautiful gift. Now content creation is recognized by our government. There are like tax rules and everything for content creators, so it's a legalized occupation which is now being taught in colleges also. So I think a great digital kit would be such a good gifting option in today's time to your partners to just motivate them to create content if they just love creating videos and photos and taking pictures and stuff. As somebody who's a big sipper girly, I love these big sippers because मैं इससे अपना water intake complete करती हूँ दिन का. I always have one around me. It's also easy to sip on. I think a sipper is a great gift idea to your partner, and the House of Quirk sippers are very good. I recently got a new one. ये वाले तो मुझे brands देते रहते हैं, but मेरा new वाला kitchen में ही है. It's a bottle green color. It's absolutely stunning. It's a very nice color. I love the suction. ये वाले जो आ गए ना, ये जो sippers है ना, इनकी quality मुझे इतनी नहीं पसंद है क्योंकि अगर straw मतलब थोड़ा गिरा ना तो पूरा पानी लीक होने लगता है. अभी जो मैंने नया खरीदी हूँ ना, उसका ग्रिप एकदम ही टाइट एंड स्नग है, तो उसमें से स्ट्रॉ में से अगर मैं गिरता भी तो स्ट्रॉ में से लीक होगा. बॉटल इज एब्सोल्युटली लीक प्रूफ. सो आई रियली लाइक दैट क्वालिटी. हाउस ऑफ क्वर्क हैज गुड कलर्स. देयर इज अ नाइस beige color option. There's green, bottle green, which I have just bought for myself. There's pink. So this is again a unisex gift. You can gift it to your partner and remind them that they need to continue and complete their water intake for the day. And good cute coffee mugs also would be great. Impasse doesn't have any right now, but you will get great coffee mugs and, you know, different things. House of Quirk के सारे products नायका पे मिलते हैं and they have great stuff. चुंबक के कुल्हड़. If your person is a chai drinker, I think this is also a great gift for them. It's a Jaipur Gardens कुल्हड़ gift box for 1000 rupees. You're getting a set of 4 and like 4 ऐसे कुल्हड़ वाली चाय, तो that's such a cute gift. They can just keep it in their kitchen and then जब अच्छे वाले मेहमान आएंगे तभी they can use it. For some reason the coffee mugs I'm seeing are extremely expensive. Like Crawford Market में थोड़े सस्ते मिलेंगे, so I do not suggest these coffee mugs. They're very basic. Coffee mugs you can get like on Amazon. They are good like takeaway ones. Reet just got me for my birthday the Slytherin cup from Miniso. It's a takeaway cup and it's insulated and I can use it for my iced coffee. So again, you can give like a nice merchandise basis what that person is, like a chai drinker, coffee drinker, or just a reminder for your water intake. Last gift idea, I would gift somebody who loves accessorizing apart from the dainty gold jewelry. I suggest it is a good quality watch. Now in watch, you can go in the premium section and you can give them a nice luxury watch if you have that kind of bandwidth, or a lot of mid-range watches watches, like your Casio has really upped the game, okay? Like Casio is definitely killing it when it comes to just keeping up with the trend and also giving you good quality timeless watches, because Casio's watch quality we all know is amazing. First, coming to the women Casio watches that I would recommend. Now this is the one that Sabrina gifted me last year on my birthday. It's the vintage watch and everyone loved it. She gifted me the rose gold color, but if your girl is on the dusky side like me, I would not recommend rose gold because it washes the color complexion out क्योंकि वो matte rose gold है. So I would recommend silver for your dusky girls because silver will complement their skin tone really nicely. If she's on the fairer side, you can get her the gold one because Casio का gold जो है वो बहुत चटाक gold है. So again on our skin tone, it might not look the best. But a gold that Casio has, which is very nice, is this like a little softer gold, a little white gold aesthetic. It's a unisex vintage cream dial. I really like this. It's got like digital also and it's got normal dial also, analog and digital both. And it's such a like classic piece, like a very grandfather watch, you know, Dadaji ne diya hai वैसा वाला aesthetic है. It's very nice for 4,795. And in the more slimmer category, these Enticer watches, the ladies watches in the silver, so classy, just 2,900. Very nice. It also comes with this rose gold dial which is currently sold out. Silver wala Casio is so just for 1,995. So I would highly recommend getting that if your partner likes Casio watches. Ooh, this is also such like I would love this watch. I am going to get this watch. This has a brown dial on the inside and it's a silver strap. So if she wears a lot of silver jewelry, like I mostly have dual colored straps क्योंकि मैं फिर उसको silver and gold दोनों के साथ पहन सकती हूँ. So this is silver and rose gold, but this is purely silver. I think I should get this because I will add it to my bag. It's got a brown dial on the inside and you also get other dial options like silver with silver, silver with blue, silver with black, silver with rose gold. They're all in the range of 3,000 and there's also a leather. Like Reet is a big leather belt person. So if your partner is a leather belt person, then also they are going to love Casio watches because recently Reet got this watch for himself. I'll show you. It's the Illuminator and since he's a traveler, the one he's got is not there. This is the one my dad has. It's a very good watch. It's 10,000 rupees. You want to like splurge on your man, get this watch. It's a very classy, luxurious watch. It's the Edifice from Casio. It is got a nice navy blue dial, gives you very like Rolex energy, very dark blue, rich man energy, and with a dark brown leather belt. It would look so good if your man has really thick arms or a thick forearm. It look really good. Like if they have slender arms, don't get a big dial on them because big dial will not look good on like thinner arm. For a slender arm, you should get like a smaller dial or a leather belt again in a smaller dial. And this small dial is also there, the Edifice only, but in olive green again. This is like literally like a Rolex dupe. So nice, 12,000 rupees. So men's watches are a little more expensive than women's watches. You will get affordable ones also like this 5,995 watch from Casio. This is also really nice. Not a fan of the 12 and the analog, but I think for 5,000 it's good. With that, I'm closing out today's video. These are all the gifting ideas that I would love to receive or I would love to gift my partner. These are genuine like gifting options with a lot of links for y'all in the description box. तो आप लोग देख सकते हो आपको क्या खरीदना है. इससे तो आपका Valentine, birthday, anniversary सब कुछ ही sort हो जाना चाहिए. If you want specific makeup recommendations or skincare recommendations, then मैंने अभी video किया था मेरे channel पे best of skin, best of makeup. So you can go to those videos. I will leave the links to those videos also in the description box. So you will get a lot of makeup options over there. But in this video, I just wanted to give you like gifting options for him and her. I hope you enjoyed watching and this video was helpful and took away a lot of your gifting stress this Valentine's season and for all the occasions that are coming. If you like this video, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, Sasko shout goes to Muskan1812. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sasko shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it and also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad and you get a chance to be a part of my next video, Sara Squad shout out. I'll see you guys very soon in the video. Bye guys.